This is an APAC studio presentation.
Come on, hurry up! Hurry up! Okay, that's enough! That's enough! Give me that fucking thing! Give me it! You know what that's the sound of? It's the sound of an unmitigated atrocity that we're all guilty of committing at one point or another. It's the sound of wasted microwave seconds. Carl here had put his whole wheat omega-3 vegan certified breakfast burrito in for the required 2-minute cook time. Unfortunately, Carl's ADHD got the better of him, as usual, and he opened the microwave door early, took his food out, leaving a whole 8 seconds remaining on the timer. That's very wasteful. Sure, it saves energy, but what about those unused 8 seconds? What happens to them? Hey! Freeze! Get out of my kitchen! Get out of my kitchen! Don't waste your microwave seconds! Use them! A message from deranged people with nothing better to do!
This has been a presentation from Tim Morgan's APAC Studio. For more almost professional amateur comic studio content, visit the APAC YouTube channel. Search APAC 2002. That's APAC 2002 on YouTube.